Ever scrolled through an Instagram ad that seemed tailor-made for you, or read a compelling article that drove you straight to a product purchase? If so, you've felt the handiwork of a digital marketer. But what exactly does a digital marketer do? Let's find out. One, crafting online strategies. The digital realm is vast, and without a compass, brands can get lost. Digital marketers provide that compass, crafting intricate strategies to navigate the online world. Every digital marketer must know the following online strategy fundamentals. Audience segmentation. A campaign's success hinges on reaching the right audience. By segmenting users based on age, interests, behaviors, or even their online habits, marketers can tailor messages that resonate personally. Consider how a young gamer would be approached differently than a retired book enthusiast. Multi-channel planning. Not all platforms serve the same audience. A tweet might gain traction, but the same message on LinkedIn could fall flat. Thus, digital marketers must understand each platform's nuances and tailor strategies accordingly. Setting KPIs and objectives. Blindly launching campaigns is a recipe for failure. Digital marketers set clear, measurable objectives, be it increasing app downloads, driving traffic to a blog, or boosting engagement metrics. Key performance indicators, KPIs, provide quantifiable goals, ensuring strategies have direction and purpose. 2. SEO and SEM. In the vast ocean of online content, how do brands ensure they're found? The twin pillars of SEO and SEM are the answer, and a digital marketer must nail this part down very well. SEO, or search engine optimization, is a discipline that involves applying a series of techniques to web design and content in order to improve a website's position in search engines. It's organic, which means brands don't pay Google or other search engines to improve their ranking. It involves keyword optimization, on-page and off-page SEO, and technical SEO. We have a whole video dedicated to it, which you can check out here. Then there's SEM, or search engine marketing, which is a set of paid actions that businesses can perform to promote themselves on search engines. It works on a model called pay per click, or PPC, where the advertiser pays for each click on their ad. The most popular kind of SEM is Google Ads, and you can learn more about it here. 3. Content creation. A brand's story, told effectively, can shape its identity. Through content, marketers craft narratives that stick with audiences. Here are a few methods of content creation. Narrative crafting. It's not just about selling products. It's about crafting compelling stories. Think of brands like Coca-Cola or Nike. They don't sell beverages or shoes, but happiness and aspirations. Collaborative creation. Marketers work closely with graphic designers, video producers, and writers, merging visuals and words to create powerful content. For instance, Apple's product launch videos are a masterclass in harmonizing product details with storytelling. Interactive content. Modern digital marketing isn't just about passive consumption. Interactive quizzes, polls, or infographics engage the audience actively, making them participants in the brand's story. 4. Analyze, optimize, repeat. Digital marketing isn't static. Once a campaign is launched, the real work begins. Analytical tools. Platforms like Google Analytics, Facebook Insights, or SEMrush provide a treasure trove of data. From user demographics to their online behavior, every click is a story. Refinement. If a particular blog post sees high traffic but low engagement, perhaps the content isn't resonating. If an email campaign has a low open rate, maybe the subject line needs tweaking. Data drives these insights, and insights drive strategy refinement. A/B testing. Digital marketers often launch 2 versions of a campaign to see which one resonates more with the audience. This split testing ensures that the final strategy is the most effective version. 5. Social media engagement. Brands today need voices, not just logos. And social media is where brands find their voice. Responsive engagement. Brands that reply to comments, address concerns, or even share memes come across as more human. This isn't just about customer service, it's about building relationships. User-generated content, UGC. Encouraging users to share their experiences, stories, or even create brand-related content fosters community and trust. For instance, GoPro's entire marketing strategy revolves around content created by its users. Trend utilization. Digital marketers always have an eye on trending topics or viral challenges. Leveraging these can make brands relevant and relatable to the younger demographic. In conclusion, digital marketing is an intricate ballet of strategy, content analysis, and engagement. If you want to go deeper, check out this free course where you'll learn the basics of digital marketing, and subscribe to our channel for more content. Thank you for watching.